You ever feel like you're living in the future? Well, you're not wrong. Artificial intelligence, or AI, isn't some distant sci-fi dream anymore. It's here, right now, and it's woven into pretty much everything we do. In this explainer, we're going to pull back the curtain and show you just how much AI is already a part of your daily life. To really get a sense of just how massive this is, let's start with a number: $1.8 trillion. Let that sink in. According to Grandview Research, that's what the global AI market is expected to be worth by 2030. This isn't just some passing tech trend. It's a full-blown economic revolution happening as we speak. So, what are we really talking about when we say AI? You can forget the Hollywood image of evil robots for a minute. At its heart, AI is really about creating smart tools. It's technology that can simulate how we think, how we behave, and can be trained to get really, really good at solving specific problems. It's less about creating a new life form and more about building powerful systems that help us out. Okay, so let's bring this down from the clouds and into your world. We're going to start with the AI that you're probably already using every single day, maybe without even realizing it. This is where AI stops being a concept and starts being your reality. Just think about your day so far. Seriously, from the moment you woke up to you listening to this right now, how many times do you think you've already used an AI? Let's run through a few common examples, and you can just keep a little tally in your head. You know, what's wild isn't just this list, but how completely normal it all feels, right? These things feel so intuitive because there's an AI humming along in the background, crunching traffic data, learning your taste in music from millions of other people, and basically tailoring your little corner of the world to you in a way that would have seemed like magic just a decade ago. So yeah, AI is definitely in your phone and in your living room, but its influence stretches so much farther than just personal convenience. It's also become this critical engine that powers the major industries that, well, make our society run. And this just shows you how incredibly diverse that impact is. We're not talking about small changes here. In healthcare, AI can sift through medical data at a scale no human team ever could, helping to spot diseases earlier. In finance, it's making investment advice accessible to way more people. And in really fundamental areas like farming and driving, it's totally changing how we manage our food supply and how we stay safe on the road. So here's the main takeaway from all this. AI isn't just about making your life a little easier with a better movie suggestion or a faster driving route. It is fundamentally reshaping entire industries, optimizing these super complex systems, and really pushing innovation forward. It's become an absolutely essential tool for making progress in the world we live in today. But, of course, it's not all a perfectly smooth ride into the future. A technology this powerful, this transformative, it forces us to ask some really tough questions. We absolutely have to talk about the very real challenges and the risks that come along with the rise of AI. Our sources point to some major concerns. I mean, beyond the whole robots taking our jobs thing, there's the huge technical challenge of bias. If an AI is trained on data that's already flawed or skewed, well, it's just going to learn to make those same biased decisions, but at a massive scale. That, plus some really big questions about our privacy and security, means we all have to stay super vigilant. And this brings us to a really important point. Let's be clear. AI is way, way better than us at certain things, like processing insane amounts of data or spotting patterns at lightning speed. But that just frees us humans up to double down on what makes us unique: actual creativity, emotional intelligence, and critical thinking. The ability to understand not just what is happening, but why. And the source material really hits the nail on the head with this. This quote is a perfect reminder of where AI is at right now. Sure, it can generate some pretty cool stuff based on patterns it's already seen, but that spark of true original creativity, that deep, nuanced understanding of the world, for now, that's still a human thing. Okay, so we've seen how AI is already here, how it's powering our world, and some of the big challenges it brings up. So that naturally leads to the big question: where is this all going? What's the future going to look like in a world that's more and more connected with AI? When you step back, the big picture is that AI's impact is both incredibly personal and almost unimaginably huge. I mean, it's optimizing your drive to work in the morning, but it's also helping NASA analyze data from telescopes to find entirely new planets. It is literally expanding the boundaries of what humanity can do. And that leaves us with one last big idea to chew on. As artificial intelligence gets better and better at doing the tasks we give it, it frees us up. It pushes us to ask a whole new question about ourselves. What's next for us? As machines master our old tasks, what new skills, what new frontiers will we as humans master next?